Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get all the kits in SKYWARS really fast. So for this you don't want to go in the SKYWARS map, you want to go to Worlds and press create. So then create your random lobby and then put the game SKYWARS. So now you can choose between Open World, Bed Wars Duo, SKYWARS, Greenville, Cube Warfare, Tower, etc. So you want to choose SKYWARS. And then you want to press create. So this is a very important step. So now we're waiting for it to create. And boom, there you go, we have a lobby. But of course, no one's gonna come and join our lobby since no one knows the server. But that's what we want. So as you can see, I got a lot of the kits. I still need some, but I got also all the perks. So now what you want to do is like exit and go to stagingbloxd.io. So stagingbloxd.io. Actually no. Yeah, actually yes. And then join name. And then you wanna then you wanna join this lobby. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I mean the same one, the one you created a few seconds ago. You join it. I hope it's this one. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, I got my alternative account or my stagingbloxd.io account to join the game. So now we're gonna wait for the game to start. So, yay, let's wait. By the way, sorry I haven't been uploading for a while. I've been really busy this week, but I'm thinking to upload a lot throughout these 2 coming weeks since I have a winter break. So yeah, okay, 16 seconds left. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, as you can see, I started the game. So I'm not sure where my alt account is. It's here. So you know, I'm just gonna go and kill it. There. As you can see, I just like that I got 40 gold. I was at 210, I got to 250. Just like that. So this is like the easiest method to gain lots of coins. So now you can actually buy a lot of loot. So mystery kits. You receive the warrior kit. I have it, but still not bad. And you get these new gems for the perks. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and you get better at SKYWARS with it, with the new loot you got. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.